Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear students. Hope, hope that all are doing good by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, today is your virtual picnic. So let us start your virtual picnic with historical tour to Aurangabad. So let's move to Aurangabad city. Now you are ready for the tour to Aurangabad? Yes, let us go. So I will start this virtual picnic with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I welcome you all with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So I will start this virtual picnic to Aurangabad on behalf of Ikhra School and Maktab Group. So welcome to our group. We hope for a long and successful journey with you. So this is about the Aurangabad city. It's a city of historical monuments. So let us start with the railway station, Aurangabad railway station. This Aurangabad railway station has good connectivity from other places in India. This is the city of gates. In this city, we have number of gates from Delhi Gate, Katkat Gate, Paitan Gate, and many more gates are there in the city. Then we'll move to, we have a beautiful nature for nature lovers like Masmal Hill Station situated nearly 40 kilometers from Aurangabad. And we have for the morning joggers, we have Himayat Park for jogging and walking. And we have here in Aurangabad city, Salim Ali Lake. It's a very beautiful view from this lake. So we all love nature. So you can find nature in Aurangabad city. Then Aurangabad city is famous for education. So here in Aurangabad city we have University Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Bamu University. Behind that we have Go Baba Hills. It's for mountaineers lovers who want to do mountaineering. It's a very good trekking and mountaineering place, Go Baba Hills. Then we have in Aurangabad city Siddharth Garden. Then we have in Aurangabad city Siddharth Garden. Every child love to play in the garden. Greenery, they love, everyone love greenery. So it is garden, it has a very greenery garden. So it's a sprawling over a large area is the well laid out and green landscape Siddharth Garden, enclosing a mark as well as zoo together. It is conveniently located at a distance of about 3 kilometers from the Aurangabad railway station. Then this Siddharth Garden, it has zoological park also. It has many animals like tiger, elephant, snake, rabbit and aquarium too. Number of fishes are there. So it's lovely. Every child love to go to zoological park to see animals, isn't it? Then we have in Aurangabad city, one of the monument is Bibi Ka Maqbara. It's a replica of one of the seven wonders of Taj Mahal. And this Bibi Ka Maqbara, it has a Maqbara of Aurangzeb Alam's wife. Then we have Jakwadi Dam located in Paitan. Jakwadi Dam is an earthen dam located on Godavari River at the site of Jakwadi village in Paitan Taluka of Aurangabad district in Maharashtra, India. Then we have a one water mill, 2nd century water mill called Panchakki. Panchakki, known as the water mill, displays the scientific thought process put in medieval Indian architecture. It was designed to generate energy via water brought down from a spring on a mountain. Then it's famous for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum. This museum, it has war weapons, coins and other artifacts from the Maratha Empire are displayed in traditional surroundings. Then it's famous for the Ajanta caves. Historical Ajanta caves. The Buddhist caves in Ajanta are approximately 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments dating from the 2nd century BCE to about 480 CE in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra state in India. Then we have Ellora Caves. Ellora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, India. It is one of the largest rock-cut Hindu temple cave complexes in the world. Then we have Daulatabad Fort. Daulatabad Fort, also known as Devgiri or Deogiri, is a historic fortified located in Daulatabad village near Aurangabad, Maharashtra, India. It was the capital of the Yadava dynasty for a brief time, the capital of the Delhi Sultanate, and later a secondary capital of the Ahmednagar Sultanate. Then we have in Aurangabad city, it's far from Aurangabad, dome of Aurangzeb Alamgir. Initially, it was known as Rauza, as meaning garden of paradise. It is known as the Valley of Saints or the abode of eternity because in the 14th century, several Sufi saints chose to reside there. Exploring the monumental city of Aurangabad, Bibi Ka Maqbara, Aurangabad, India, the Taj of the Deccan in Aurangabad. So I heart Jazakallahu Khairan Kasiran for watching this virtual picnic to Aurangabad city, historical tour to Aurangabad city. Jazakallahu Khairan Kasiran.